So today I'm going to show you how to print labels from FedEx. First, open up FedEx Ship Manager and find the order and the label you like to print from. Then on the top left hand corner, you'll see a print button. Click on that, and then this will open up a print preview page looking like this. Then under more settings, make sure you have headers and footers off. Then under destination, make sure you have Josie J500 selected if that's the printer you have. And under pages, we'll select custom and to scale 1. This being we only like to print the label and not anything else. And for layout, we select landscape. Paper size, make sure you have 4 by 6 inches. And margins, we select none. Scale, we enter custom scale and enter the scale of 150. Then go ahead and open up settings, devices, printers and scanners. Find the printer Josie J500 and then click on Manage. On the left hand side, you'll see a Printing Preferences option. Click on that and then click on Page Setup on the top. And under Name, make sure you select 4 by 6 inches and then rotate in the middle, select 270 degrees. And this will make sure the label comes up vertically and not horizontally. Then click on OK and then back on the print preview and we hit print. There we go. That's all set.